How families are affected by drug addiction. Drug addiction doesn't just affect the person with the addiction. It affects their entire family. The spouse and children are often left to deal with the consequences. Drug addiction can cause a lot of chaos and turmoil in a family because their behavior can be unpredictable and erratic. Their substance use disorder can cause them to miss work or school, or to get into legal trouble. You should know that it does not matter whether or not you have children in the household with a person with substance use disorder. When someone struggles with substance use disorder, they are consumed by it and will do whatever it takes to get their next fix. They may steal from family members or lie in order to obtain money for more of their substance of choice. What you need to know about how drug addiction affects the family is that there is no one-size-fits-all answer to that question. The effects of addiction on a particular family depend on that family's dynamics, their relationship with the person, and the severity of the addiction. In addition to affecting the person struggling with addiction, addiction can also have a negative impact on their family members and loved ones. The spouse or partner of a person with substance use disorder may begin to feel angry, frustrated, helpless, and betrayed. They may also worry about the safety of their loved ones as well as themselves. What are the other effects that inappropriate substance use can have on families? One effect that is often seen in families with a person with substance use disorder is that other family members may start to use substances as a way to cope. They may do this unconsciously, but it can still have damaging consequences. Another common effect of addiction on the family is that the loved ones of a person with substance use disorder can start to feel isolated and alone. This is because they often feel like they can't talk to anyone about what is going on in their family. They may also feel like they are the only ones who are dealing with this issue. If you have a loved one who is struggling with substance use disorder, it is important that you seek help for yourself and your entire family. There are many different types of treatment available that can help you learn how to cope with the effects of addiction on your family. Ways to help families that are affected by addiction. There are many ways to help families that are being affected by addiction. The first and most important step is to provide support and understanding. Addiction can be a very difficult thing to overcome, and family members often feel helpless and frustrated. It's important to let them know that you care and you're there for them no matter what. You can also provide practical help for families who are affected by addiction. This might include helping them find counseling and therapy groups or finding support groups specifically designed to deal with addiction issues. There are many resources available, so don't hesitate to ask around or do some research online. Lastly, you can offer emotional support by listening to what they have to say and being there for them through thick and thin. Whether you're a person struggling with substance use disorder yourself or just someone who cares about helping others, these are all great ways that anyone can help families that are affected by addiction. If you or someone you know is struggling with drug addiction, please don't hesitate to call us for help. We have many resources available that can provide support and guidance as you work through this difficult time. How does drug addiction affect a family? Drug abuse can cause many problems in families, including financial stress and emotional turmoil. It is important for parents to be aware of their child's behavior and take action if they feel that something isn't right.